91% of chance to cut. That's exactly it. We have 91% of chance for the ECB to do a 25 basis points cut. As you can see right here, that's the ECB interest rates probability from PMT Pro Market Terminal. We can see that the market is expecting a 25 basis points cut for tomorrow night in Australia time on Thursday. Okay, so what is actually happening? Do they will cut, or they're gonna hold? They're gonna pause again? They're gonna hike? Let's see what we can take out from the data that are coming from Europe at the moment. But before we go further deep on that topic, I would lovely ask you guys to subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up as well, and if you have any questions, just comment, okay? Because that way you can interact with me and I can try to answer your questions once I have some time. And don't forget that Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, so especially today, Wednesday, we do have webinars from 4 to 5 p.m. It's the new time, 4 to 5 p.m. And I will send the link for you to join into the Zoom through the Telegram. Okay, so the Telegram link is on the description, so you can join the Telegram group. It's free. We don't charge you anything, and you get a lot of content in there as well. Now, let's have a look at what I'm expecting for the ECB. No room to pause. That's I think that's the whole murmuring that is going around. No room to pause. Okay, because a lot of people think, oh, they're gonna pause. They're not gonna cut. I don't think that. Inflation is easing, okay? So the headline HICP fell to 2.2%, with the services inflation down as well. So in a sense, yes, inflation is coming down, so why they would have to pause if they can continue to cut, all right? It's like that trade, you're moving the trailing stop more and more and more and more. So there's no need for you to actually get out from the trade. You can just move the trailing stop more and more. That's exactly what ECB is doing. And look at Euro. Euro is up more than 5.5% against the US dollar. If we look to energy as well, energy and commodity prices, they are softer, and that is adding to this disinflation effect into the Europe. The confidence from the ZIL, the economic, it's like the business confidence, it just posted its third worst month drop ever. So if we wrap up everything here in one, I don't see why the ECB would pause in this meeting tomorrow. I think that the Lagarde, she owns warned that US tariffs could add a 0.5 percentage points to inflation, but the Europe leaders have avoided escalation to the tariffs from Trump to Europe, and I don't think that will happen anymore. I guess we're on a very, very good point at the moment for Europe to continue to cut 25 basis points. So my opinion here is that yes, we may continue to see a disinflation on Europe. We still have actually today, let me just check on the calendar, tonight at 7 p.m. we have the CPI for Europe. So the year over year from March to March, and the month over month, and we have the core CPI over year as well. Both of them, all of them are expected to have some sort of decline, except for the month over month. The previous was 0.4, and now they're expecting 0.6. So expecting 0.2% above what is the previously. So I think from that perspective, inflation all the forecasts are continue to go down. I don't think we can have any pause here. I think the ECB will continue to stand very firm and continue to cut the interest rates throughout. Will that be positive or negative for the euro? I think, in a sense, it will be possibly positive for the euro because inflation is coming down and the ECB is easing the monetary policy. For that reason, population will be able to spend more, population will be able to get easier access to money and invest more into business to grow the economy. So in a sense, I think we are changing a little bit the way that the market is being trading in the last couple of weeks. And now the bad news is good news, okay, in a sense. So cutting interest rates is not always good, but in this sense, I think it will be very good for the euro dollar, for the euro, sorry, and euro against US dollar will probably continue to rise around 1.14 in my analysis. Okay, so I guess that's all we have to be paying attention as well. Don't forget to always read the rate statement. I will be here tomorrow talking about the CPI release, but again, manage your risk because this month has been a crazy one, and there's definitely more to come from the next 2 weeks. Don't forget that today, 4 to 5 p.m. I will be live. We're going to be trading together. Okay, so a lot of new people are coming, so that's really good. I'm really happy to see new names coming into, and hopefully to see you there this afternoon as well. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, bring tonight or this afternoon for me, or put down in the comments and I will make some time to answer you. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you tomorrow. See you. Bye-bye.